All right, please over here. All right, this is the first Masjid Raya Pertama Mosque. This is established and built from Aceh Kingdom at the time 1620 at the time. When Netherlands attacked Aceh March 26 in 1873, they burned this mosque.
Netherlands did burn it down.
Yeah. When April 10 in 1873, after that they built again. When September 29 in 1878 over there. This one is built from Netherlands. Van der Heyden over there. Van der Heyden built this mosque. Nobody can imagine that they took Aceh hard. Just because Aceh very anger for Aceh Netherlands at the time. They built this. When finished it? This December 22 in 1881. Only 2 years. Just only 1 year until 10 years, no Aceh people will pray here. Because this built from Netherlands. And then when the Venakan to be governor in Aceh, they built 2 domes. This is the first dome, and then they add 2 domes again in 1936 at the time. After the independent day after, because we thought Aceh, Indonesia nothing. Indonesia was occupied from Netherlands 350 years, but Aceh just only 65 years. But they fell, they lose, they almost bankrupt when they occupy Aceh at the time, because Aceh very strong and then never hit by every single people at the time, never occupied. They put 2 dome again, they add to go again.